Today we will learn about division of algebraic expressions. First I have taken monomial divided by monomial. So let's take an example. 20x to the power 4. One term divided by, I have taken 10x square. So this is a monomial and this is also a monomial. So first thing, you write it as 10x to the power 4 divided by 10x to the power of 2. First let's cut. We have a 0 here, so we can cross out this 0 and we are left with 2. So 10 2s are and 10 1s are. Or straight away you can cross out the zeros and you are left with 2 upon 1. Now I can write it as minus 2. I have copied from here. X to the power 4. We have done exponents and powers. So exponents, this is division when the base is same. So powers are subtracted. So when you divide, the powers are subtracted and my answer will be minus x to the power of 2. Let's take another example. Now I am taking a polynomial divided by a monomial. For any polynomial when it is divided by a monomial. So I am taking 24 x square yz plus xy square z plus xy z square, and in the denominator we have minus 8xy z. Now I'll do this in two different ways. Let's understand the first way. First we cross out. 24 comes in the table of 8, so we do the cutting for this. So we get 8 1s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Now we have done LCM. When the denominators are same for these terms, when we take the LCM we write it once. What do you mean by this? This x, y, z, the whole term is denominator for all the terms here. So let's write them separately now. When we leave our answer, this minus is written with the numerator. So I am writing this minus here. I have 3 here and I just said this x, y, z is denominator for all these 3 terms. So we write x square yz upon xyz plus xy square z upon xyz, xyz square and xyz. So I have given this denominator to all the terms in the numerator. Let's check now. This y can be crossed with this y, this z can be crossed with this z. So I cross out this z with this, y with y. Now again base is same and we are doing division, so powers will be subtracted. So this becomes 2 and here the power is 1, 2 minus 1. So minus 3 x to the power 2 minus 1 plus, here now x and x can be crossed out, z and z can be crossed out, and I am left with y to the power 2 minus 1. Here x and x, y and y crossed out, so this is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so my final answer will be minus 3x plus y plus z. On subtraction, I am getting 1. So let's do same thing in another way. Either you give this denominator to all the terms and solve it, or let's do it in another way. So this was my question. Let's check now. Let's do it in another way. First thing, same. We can cross out 8 3s are 24. So I can get right here 8 1s are and 8 3s are, and here I get minus 3. Now let's check the bracket. Here x, y, z is there, and here also x, y, z and x, y, z. So we can take common x, y, z. Power was 2, so I have taken 1x out. I am left with 1x here. Here also I have y now. 1 by I have taken common. So 1 y into y will give me y square, and here I am left with z, and denominator was x, y, z. I can cross out this x, I can cross out this y, I can cross out this z. Again I am left with answer as x plus y plus z. So you can choose whatever you are comfortable with and do it.